Realme 7i set to launch on September 17, Snapdragon 662 SoC and quad rear cameras tipped. Realme 7i has been confirmed to launch on September 17 in Indonesia. The new smartphone from the Chinese company will be launched in the country alongside the Realme 7 on a date. The Realme 7 was launched in India along with the Realme 7 Pro last week. Key specifications of the Realme 7i were also leaked, suggesting the inclusion of an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 662 SoC paired with 8GB of RAM, a 6.5-inch display, quad rear cameras, and a large battery. Realme 7i launch details. Realme Indonesia took to Twitter to share a poster of the upcoming launch event. The post announced that the Realme 7 and Realme 7i will be launched in the country on September 17 at 1:07 p.m. WIB, 11:37 a.m. IST. The event will be live-streamed on the company's social media channels, along with its YouTube channel and the official website. The Realme 7 was launched in India on September 3. Realme 7i specifications, expected. While the tweet teased a 64-megapixel primary sensor on the Realme 7i, the website suggested that the smartphone will pack a 5,000 mAh battery and a 90Hz display. Further key specifications of the upcoming phone was tipped by Instagram user Gadget5.id. The post shared a snapshot of the promo material of the upcoming phone. Going by the leak, the Realme 7i could be powered by the 11nm Snapdragon 662 SoC, clocked at 2.0 GHz. The phone is expected to come in a single 8GB plus 128GB storage variant. The phone may feature a 6.5-inch HD plus, 1600 by 720 pixels, display with a refresh rate of 90 Hz. In terms of optics, the phone's quad rear camera setup is expected to include a 64-megapixel sensor, an 8-megapixel sensor, and two 2-megapixel sensors. For selfies, the Realme 7i is expected to come with a 16-megapixel camera placed inside the hole punch cutout at the front. The Realme 7i may pack a 5,000 mAh battery that could support 18 watts quick charge. The post also suggested that the smartphone may sport a rear-mounted fingerprint scanner. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.